So working in digital products in banking, watching what's happening in AI and other sectors is like I'm stood out in the rain looking through the glass at everyone playing inside, having such a good time. And I'm just, because I can't do it in the same way. And the reason is the same for lots of big corporates, to be honest, is because if you go back 10 years, the phrase was big data, right? It was all about big data, and there was robotic process automation. And it's the same concepts. Banks have an ocean of valuable data that they want to generate insight from. But if you look at those initiatives and those schemes and all the articles that came out and all the no-code, low-code platforms for RPA that were out, there are very few real success stories in financial services, and many big corporates are implementing and changing. And the problem isn't the technology. AI is fantastic and it has the potential to change all of these things, but it's the legacy architecture these places are built on. They have the data, but it's in 17 different places. And one of those databases is run on COBOL or whatever, that there's only 3 guys in the whole bank who know how it works. And they can't get data in and out of it in the same way. They don't have the ability to correlate data over here to one customer to the same customer over here. So they can't even match it up. So even if I input an LLM into that process, it can't make sense of it necessarily either. So the main challenge as always is having data in a place where it can actually be used to be insights to be generated from that. And banks haven't been able to solve that for the most part for just fundamental commercial analysis, let alone feeding into an LLM to start generating more insight behind that. So I think you've got structural problems for banks and they're scrambling around. And obviously there'll be a big focus on how do we integrate AI into the front end. Usually there's a chatbot that exists anyway. So now it'll be, here's the AI assistant that can do something for you. But that's kind of missing the wood for the trees, I think, at times, because AI is more than just chatbots, because chatbots have been around for 15 years anyway.